Thank you for tuning in to another edition of our toy review. This time we feature the Jazz Encore, or otherwise known as Agent Meister. In Japan, his name is Meister, but in the US, he is also known as Jazz. So basically, this is a G1 series, or a G1 reissue of the 1980 actual toy of Jazz. So kung mapapansin nyo, mas maliit siya kaysa yung actual na nirelease noong 1980s. And basically, madali lang siyang i-transform. And just to let you know, this is a semi-die-cast toy. Pakita ko lang sa inyo ha, paano siya tina-transform. And yung ibang parts nito pakal. And what makes this special is that, of course, katulad ng 25th anniversary na Optimus Prime, it's just almost a piece of treasure or a piece of memory that you have way back in the 1980s. So kung nawala mo yung Jazz mo noong bata ka, you're lucky enough if you can have your own Jazz or your own Agent Meister by this time. So yan, complete accessories, kaya lang mas maliit siya kaysa yung dati. Okay, so discussing on the box here, actually according sa friend ko na nagtrapayuki dati, ang basa dito is Transformers. And this one, basa dito Toy Kingdom 500. That concludes our toy review for today. Good night.